morning student. Today we will discuss about charts in Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application software which is used to store, manipulate and analyze data. It displays data graphically that makes the data attractive and easy to read. In this chapter we will learn about the chart. Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is more attractive and appealing. It helps you to understand the data easily. Draws comparison between the data. Learn about how can we insert chart and how can we format the chart. Watch the complete video.
Let us start, student. This is Excel software. Now we will learn how can insert chart in Excel. Firstly, you have need to enter informations from which you want to enter chart. Here I have created a table, student record, name of the student and marks of different subjective. Firstly, you have need to select the data like this and click on the insert tab and select the chart which you want to insert, like as I have select 2D column chart like this. This is chart. Now we will discuss about the component of chart. This area, this complete area is known as chart area, and this area where actual chart is located is known as plot area. These lines you can see, these lines known as grid lines, and this is the data label. These bars are the data labels. This is legend options, like as different subjects we can mark with different colors, like as red color shows the maths marks, green color shows English marks, and so on. This is vertical axis and this is horizontal axis. These are the components of chart. Now if you want change the style of the chart, then we can format the chart like this. Now we will learn to switch rows and columns. To switch rows and columns, click on the design tab and click on the switch row and column like this. You can switch the rows and columns. Next we will discuss about the element of a chart. Firstly, adding chart title. Click on the layout tab. Student, remember, two tab, format and layout, will appear after creating chart. Now click on the layout tab and chart title. You can select the area from where you want to enter chart title, like as above the chart, center the chart and bottom the chart, like this. We want it above the chart like this. Click here and type the name of the chart, like student record. We can add the chart title. Now we will add the legends of the chart. How can we add the legends? Click on the layout tab, legends option. From where you want to insert, like this, you want right, top, left. I select the show legends at left side. You can show the legend option in the left side. Next we will learn about the adding axis title. Select the layout tab, select axis title. From where you want to locate horizontal or vertical, like this. I select primary horizontal axis title. From here you can type the subject axis title I have selected here. Next we will learn about the data label. Adding data labels, click on layout tab and select the data labels option. Now select next options like as you want to insert inside, and you can show the data label like this. Next we will learn about the chart tools. How can we change the chart type? To change the chart type, select the chart which you want to change and click on the design tab and select the chart type. Change chart type and select the chart like as you want to show this type of chart. Click on OK. You can change the chart type of it. Next we will learn about the chart style. How can we change the chart style? To change the chart style, select the chart style from here. Select any of style like this. You can change the chart style. Next option is formatting a chart. We want to format chart, then select the area like this and right click and select the format walls and select fill option like as we want to apply here picture and texture option. Select any of the picture or texture and close. You can also change the format of the chart.